Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. One of my main concerns as a mom is making sure that my baby is warm enough but not too warm at nighttime. So the perfect sleep sack is absolutely what has saved me in the nighttime. This one from Anich is so perfect. It's super cute with this pattern, but I think my favorite part would be that it has the double zipper. So when you have to change the baby in the nighttime, if you're a mom, you know you absolutely want that double zipper because you don't have to get them completely undressed and they're not going to get all woken up and cold from the diaper change. I love how soft and plushy this feels. I honestly wish that they made these in adult sizes. I would absolutely wear one. It is so comfortable seeming. This is super easy to wash also. I just throw it in with the rest of the baby clothes on delicate with my normal detergent like I always do, and then I hang it to dry. If you're looking for a new sleep sack, I highly recommend this one. The pattern is super cute, it's really easy to wash, and it is nice and lightweight but still warm. We really love it, and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.